Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to sign into Amazon Music. So actually guys, at first you will need to go to the Amazon website, music.amazon.com, and then just tap on sign in. That's located at the top right corner. Okay, so once you tap on that option, you will need to enter your mobile number, email at first, okay, and then you will need to enter your password. Okay, so after entering your account credentials or details, you will need just to go with sign in. So that way you will open Amazon Music after logging in. Okay, so let's say you forgot your password. Okay, all you need to do is to go and tap on forgot password right here, and after that you will need to enter your email or phone and then just follow the reset steps. So if you got the wrong password issue, you will need to reset password and make sure the caps lock is off. Let's say that you find out that the account not found, so you will need to try another email and phone number and make sure account exists on Amazon. And also if you're using the Amazon Music on your phone, so it's an app, okay, so all you need to do is to update the app, clear the app cache, and restart your phone, and check your SMS and email for the code, then just try to resend code. So everybody always use the same Amazon accounts you used for your subscription, or your music won't appear. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.